Hey everyone, I just want to show you another PC that I just built for the family. I bought this case from Amazon. It's inexpensive and it looks really good. And I want to show you what it looks like and what I think of the PC case. So without further ado, let's get started. So let me show you how it looks like when it came. It came in this box and from Amazon directly. It's called Montech Fighter 600. So when I take out the box, the case looks like this, dark black, and has a glass panel on one side and a metal panel on the other side. The case has a dedicated hard drive base, so this one is 3.5 inches and it can house 3 hard drives. And on top, there are two more hard drive bays for 2.5 inches. And as for the PSU, there is plenty of space on the bottom that can put a PSU there. And also on the top, inside, there is an opening for you to put all the wires in. I think this is great for cable management. So after a couple of hours later, and I have the PC built, and this is what it looks like. And here's a complete PC, and I'm using Ryzen 3. As you can see, the cable management is great. There's plenty of space. The cable is neatly tucked on the bottom, and it has 3 fans. The fans are lighted, and unfortunately, they are not RGB, so they just turn on or off only. Now on the back end, there is a lot of cables, but they are neatly tucked inside this empty space, so it's pretty cool and it's not really too difficult to do. On the back here, if you want to put another cooler, you can. There's plenty of space. If you have a high power CPU, that's definitely recommended. Now, on the front part, there is a power button, a reset, and some audio jacks. There are 2 USB 2 and 1 USB 3. Now let's switch to the back. Here is the motherboard with all the input and outputs port. I'm not going to list all of them. That will be in my next video. And on the bottom, there's plenty of PCI panel if you want to put. For now, I don't have anything for this. Now let's go test the fans. So there are 3 fans here. These are the input fans. As you can see, there's pretty enough suction. And there is an exhaust on the back, as you can see. So there is a light breeze coming from the back exhaust. This is probably because I don't have the panel covered. So let me put the panel back on, and I want to show you the top part, which is also an exhaust. So here's the panel back on, and the top there's a mesh, so you can easily remove it and clean it. This is held down by magnets, and just take it like so and put it back on. Simple. As far as the exhaust, let me show you the airflow, and you can tell air is coming out. And also I want to show you, or let you hear the noise fan itself. It's really not too loud. So let me turn the noise back on so you can hear it. So as you can hear, the fan itself is really not too loud. This is perfect for what I plan to do with the PC. This is a great PC case if you plan to build a PC, and I definitely recommend it. And I'll put a product link on the bottom if you are interested in getting it from Amazon. So here is a shot of the PC after it was first built and pressing the on button the first time, and it worked. So I was extremely happy with the work that I done. I have it in my living room right now and it works perfectly. So that's it for today. If you like this video, remember click on the like and subscribe to my channel as I post more videos on PC and technology. That's it, and thank you for watching.